Welcome back, everyone, and on today's menu is crawfish. This is a 128 quart ice chest. This is 2 bags of crawfish. I think it's like 35 and 36, so say right around 70 pounds of crawfish. We're letting them purge. Put the first water in there. Now I'm draining it out. I've got the water hose. We'll be cycling fresh water through here to get them flushed out real good. Setting the burner up and going from there. There's the propane bottle and the pot, crawfish bowl, my pit, canopy. Now all we need is the people to get here. A little burn pile for limbs and stuff that fall out of the trees. What's that? Oh, there's our boudain. Yeah. Turn that over, let that be thrown out. Put that on the grill. We got a little charcoal grill we're going to pull around here. Put some boudain and sausage on. Hey fella. We've got the pot about, say, half full of water, and it's about 1 1/4, 1 1/2 bags of this Louisiana crab and crawfish boil stuff. We'll go a little mild on the first batch and go from there. All you animal rights activists people out there, this one's for you. Here we go. That get back boiling again. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, that should be good on the point. Put the lid on it. Let it cook for a while. Let's see here. Crawfish have been boiling for about 8 minutes, 10 minutes now. Put them in, bring it back up to a rolling boil for 10 minutes. What it is there's a bacteria that lives in the crawfish. You never want to eat any undercooked shellfish. So put them back in the boiling water for 10 minutes. Make sure they're cooked real good. Stir them up a little bit. There. Besides the crawfish, we are doing some sausage and boudain. Yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. About 5 more minutes. How's that going, Christy?
Well, that looks good. You want those? Boudain or Zumo? No. Zumo.
Pollen's getting in it.
We can pick it out. The beans are still in the house. I ain't even got them out yet.
Don't worry about them. Are they opened?
Yeah, they're cooked. They're ready to go.
Here, I'll go get them.
They're in the oven.
They're in the oven?
Just bring them out.
Where do you want them at?
Put them right here, I guess.
Yeah, put them right there on the end of the pit.
Grab some foil, I guess, to put over here. Put them that way. Put them right there.
Okay.
Grab, I guess, some foil to put over them.
Okay.